Boy, prepared to be inspired March 26 from a fascinating lady.
That's right. They've got a Tyler Breast Cancer Conference coming up. Dr. V from the Texas Oncology Center in Tyler is here to tell us more about it. Thanks for coming, Dr. V.
Thank you very much. So this is our 13 years. 13 years.
That's
every year, so this is the last year, and every year we do it. So this year, it's interesting. Last year we had a woman who was a southpaw who did her breast surgery and all of that. This year we have Dr. Edith Eger, who is survivor concentration camp from Auschwitz, who was thrown on a dead pile, and a soldier who came to liberate the camp saw this little arm. The only reason she was not killed because she danced for the Gestapo officers.
A little girl in Auschwitz, left for dead, rescued by an unknown soldier.
Unknown soldier, and for all these years, she always wondered who that soldier was. They digged her out of that pile. And she is now a PhD in clinical psychology, and she's helping soldiers with post-traumatic stress syndromes. And she goes around the country and talks about being a survivor. She was on Oprah. She was, very well recognized in the world. She can tell you what it is to be a survivor. We always think being a survivor, being a cancer survivor. Right. You could survive a lot of events. Sure. Her faith is strong. Her story is remarkable. It's a free event. It's at Harvey Hall. We want a big turnout of people to come and be inspired what you can survive. She always said, I was not a prisoner. They were prisoners of their own hatred. And she also said Hitler was also a godchild.
Unbelievable.
So it's unbelievable what this woman has gone through and what she can share with us. And then the next day, she's going to stay for the medical conference. We have a full-day medical conference that we have the world experts coming to talk about advances in breast cancer. And she's going to stay to talk to the cancer doctors and the nurses about how do we talk to people who are near death, or how we inspire them and how we tell them about life and death issues.
You've been battling breast cancer for a very long time.
Yes.
How far and how fast have you seen advancements in this medicine in treating this disease come in just a few short
Remarkable. And I think what makes it really, it's not what we just say, but what people see. When they come now, when you see a patient with breast cancer diagnosis, it's a devastating diagnosis to have. But they come in because they have 3 or 4 friends who had it, and they're alive, and they have a mother that had it alive. So we're seeing us not as a death sentence, but we want to get rid of it. I know early detection, I keep saying it's very important, but we want to get rid of it. And that's what we talk about other issue, exercise and diet, and giving patient a power of how to take charge of their life. So it's going to be a very inspiring weekend, and we just have to continue to teach patients that they have so much more control.
Absolutely. And I think breast cancer is one of these things that maybe seems so intimidating, but even the smallest amount of time and research and money can help to going to find a cure. What sort of advancements are you seeing in the cure?
Well, we know we're targeting. We don't want. There's no reason to make people's hair fall out. The hair is fine. We want to target the bad guys. So our treatment is so much more targeting. We are doing on cellular level. We are looking at the cells, not because of the size. It may be small because we picked up early. What's the biology of the tumor? And so really, this is years and years of research, but now it's all kind of kicking in. So every day we have new advances. So I think we are just blessed.
And you're excited. That's a good thing.
I just, I'm a mom and I have a daughter. So.
Dr. Bukelia, always wonderful to see you. And again, the conference there, the 13th, 13 years you've been doing these things.
Yes.
Unbelievable.
Harvey Convention Center.
Free.
Well, you can't beat the price. Free.
There's food. That's even food. That's a good thing.
Even better.
Oh,
yeah.
March 26th at 6:15, the Harvey Convention Center. Dr. V, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Certainly going to be an inspirational.
Yes. Thank you so much for having me.
St. Patty's Day. Nice to see you.
Thank you. What's green? I have green.
You're right. You've got your green on.
Better than Bob.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Thank you.